Reunited. You want my body or not? Got me body. How's looking, y'all?
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty.
Guys, I'm in Starbucks. I'm supposed to be going to Charlotte, so that's what's happening. I just grabbed some Starbucks before I go because I'm thirsty. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when we're on the way to Charlotte. I just want to show y'all where I was at.
If you don't go with me, don't do what I do. They get a one, but he really the two. Better get low when I hear that you crew. I'm sitting in the cleaner stew. I'm bailing out sober, they thinking it's over. You niggas ain't seen my move. They set me down like I went out of space, now I gotta go back to the moon. Nigga right back on the shoes. Nigga get dope like it ain't nothing to lose. Too much, I'm back on the move. Right back in the club, going back to the pool. I'm about to start acting a fool. It's just you and me, and you know who I choose. You know this little happy car, the cool. I'm talking to me and not you. I miss out on millions and millions, that money is gone. Ain't getting no compensation, ain't no compensation for niggas, we ready to roll. Let's get back to the basics, that reason they think it, cause I done been fucking they hoes. Only reason you said it, cause this nigga said it, you sucking the dick in the toe. You get caught, gotta know how it go.
Hey guys, finally made it to the destination. I'm waiting for Alicia, cause if y'all know, I still haven't had my summer clothes since when I moved in January. She had my stuff in her car, so shout out to her for holding it down. Like, it's summertime, it's hot as hell outside now. She came right in time to bring my clothes, so I'm waiting for her. And we're gonna see what else we get into for the day. And I ain't seen my shorty in a minute, so I missed her. Can't wait. Yeah. Here? I'm parked up. Yeah, well, I'm parked where you sent me the location at. Y'all, it's so hot, it don't make no sense. Like, it's my for the day. A little cool collective Skims with it. It's a nice little neighborhood. I'm in Huntersville, y'all, to be exact. Not in Charlotte, I'm in Huntersville. Hey, girl. You're cute. Thank you. No, I'm just asking. I don't know how that's my don't make it look like we outside for real. Reunited.
They be like, oh, I be posting old shit. So
Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack on the back of a perm. Ice.
It's a whole different temperature right here.
That's nice. Alright, so I ordered from a place called Slim Chickens over here in Charlotte. It's a little chicken sandwich or whatever. It got some fried onions on there. I'm starving. We're gonna see how it tastes.
Yeah, shit the fuck up out of here.
I go beyond measures to get me a cheesecake. You want my body? You want my body? You want my body? You want my body or not? No. All right. Too close.
Like, come on, man. I ain't wet. Beat it.
Yeah, it's so damn hot. Like, it don't even make sense. Like, I'm so sweaty, and it's nighttime. It's approximately 9:19. It's still hot. It don't make no sense. Y'all like my lashes? Pink.
Just happen to be at the right time.
Super cute. Wait, hold on. Let me show y'all the details. Y'all see that? Mad cute. I had bought some lashes and my package actually came to the house and it's home. Hopefully nobody grabs it because it's at my door since earlier. But I'm about to learn how to do my own lashes because she does everything. She does everything herself, period. Saving money, saving coins. So we're gonna see how that works out. I'm gonna show y'all a little video once I try it. But it's at my house, so I probably might try that tomorrow or Tuesday on 4th of July when I'm off. But yeah, y'all, just wanted to tell y'all what's going on right now. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm doing something else. Oh, you know how long I've been feeling to be on the swings? I'm not even on the swings, y'all.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Pinky. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stain now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged. Yeah, they know me with me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
Jeans and some nice stuff to put on. I don't tell everybody that rich. Better go to H&M or go to one of them places and get my nice stuff on a farm. To go and Sagabanga my body.
Anyway, I want to mind my business because minding my business is always good. And I see people out here that be minding business.
Sagabanga? What is that? Sagabanga.
Sagabanga, yeah.
That's a new term.
My body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I tuned in to tell y'all some great news that I've been working on behind the scenes, y'all. I'm officially a licensed insurance agent in all 50 states. Like, I really don't speak on my accomplishments or celebrate myself as much as I need to. You know, I took this test 3 times. I'm sitting in the parking lot still thanking God because I got my license. I got my license, y'all. Oh my God! Money, 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 money! Money!
I make my own money and I can do it twice. Down there going.
Started a new job, by the way. I'm not working at my old job I was working at. I'm on to new endeavors because you know me, I can't stay in one place. I'm looking for better, bigger and better. I'm always looking for bigger and better, y'all. And I just want to thank God so much for this blessing. But just tuning in to tell y'all that I don't know, y'all probably don't even care or probably don't even know nothing because I didn't even disclose that I was doing this. But I just had to document this moment, y'all. On July 10th, Monday, July 10th, your girl's officially a licensed insurance agent. Woo! Yes, ma'am. Thank you, God.
Now they coming out with a Bob Marley movie, y'all. What? You know I'm front and center. I'm front and center. When? When it's coming out? Because I'm ready. 2024? Y'all, they be ODing. Okay, y'all. Welcome back. So, don't mind me. Like, I've been my raggedy era right now. But It's all right because I had work to do. But now it's time to play. But I'm supposed to be going to Virginia this weekend for my family reunion that they be having every year. So that's what I'm doing this weekend. So I got to take out my braids this week because they looking a little raggedy and I can't be showing up knowing I'm the movie star of the family. Knowing.
And I'ma stand on that.
I can't be showing up like this with these dusty ass braids. No, I gotta look cute. So I'm gonna take out my braids and I'm gonna install one of my wigs. I don't want to wear no wig, y'all. I rescheduled my ponytail appointment because it would just be too much. Plus, I ain't feel like doing all of that. So I was just like, all right, I'm gonna just install my wig real quick for this little one-day event. Literally just one day. I'm driving all the way there for one day and driving back home. Yeah, it's only about 3 hours though, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so anyways, enough of that. What I really came here for is to show y'all that, in case y'all didn't see on TikTok, all the girls, they got the lashes, period, and they doing the DIY at home. And I was like, if all these girls could do it, I can do it. Okay, I'm competent, even though I'm blind and I can barely see. We're gonna make something shake. So I heard a lot of girls was getting this one, the Kiss Mascara. I ended up getting this one after I already ordered this one from Amazon. Somebody recommended this one too, the Fat Lash. So I'm about to see which one I'm about to use. This one got more on the cluster, so I might use this one first, the Kiss Mascara. But this one looked more full, so it looked like, I don't know. I'm gonna try to use this one because it looks like it's easier because the lashes are more full, like it's more on there than this one. Like, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna try to do that since it's my first time. And it comes with the bond and the seal and the tweezer and everything. So we're about to do that and see how it come out. Yeah, I hope it come out good. I don't want to be looking crazy. So yeah, last up to 10 days. We gonna see. So yeah, we gonna do this together, y'all. We gonna trial and error together. And if I do this, I might be a lash tag. Period. So what I seen somebody doing was they put the glue directly on the lash, and I feel like that made it easier to apply. So I'm about to try doing that. So you're basically just supposed to like put it under your lash. And it's sticking there, like, that was easy. See, I'm trying to get the hang of how to hold this thing. This is the first one, y'all. How it look? It's seeming pretty easy. Do like a cat eye look. So long in the middle, I'm gonna do medium, and then in the corners, I'm gonna do the short. I think I'm gonna just put this on my lash, cause so I got 2 on so far, y'all. I'm about to get it on there, and then I'm gonna go back and double stack it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I need to concentrate. All these people in the back talking. Okay, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. Ooh. So this is how it looks so far, y'all. I'm gonna double stack it, and then I'll be right back. Let me see if y'all can see it. How's it looking, y'all? The only thing I would say with these, y'all, is it's not that full, and it don't come with that much long lashes. So like, I had to save some for the other lash, for the other side of my eye. So that's the only con. It doesn't come with that much in it. So I'm stacking it up to try to get it fuller, as you can see. I need to put some more in the inner corner, so I'm about to grab a short one. Like, this is not for a full look, I feel like. They don't get that much long or short lashes. It's like 1 row of long, 1 row of short, and 2 rows of medium. So keep that in mind if you're buying this lash pack. I should have just used the one that I bought. Y'all, have patience if you're trying to do this. I'm gonna come back when I'm finished, y'all. Yeah, so I'm done with one eye. If I had more, I would definitely stack it more for a fuller look. I think next time I'm gonna just use the lashes that I bought. It comes with a lot more anyway, and this was like $20. I should have just used these, honestly, because it looks way more fuller. But fuck it. We just gonna stick with these for now. And yeah, I think they looking pretty good. I think I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. My nose running and everything trying to do this, y'all. Like, that's how focused you gotta be, but these are looking pretty good. It gives them more of a natural look. Let me see how long these are. Well, these come in different lengths. Like, oh, I should have just used these. Or whatever. These are my beginner lashes for my first time doing it, so fuck it. Now we're gonna move on to the next eye. The only thing is I don't have that much lashes in the inner corner of my eye, so that's posing an issue. So I would recommend you have healthy lashes when attempting to do this. Not any broken off lashes, because it needs something to grip onto. Keep that in mind, girlies. I don't know about it lasting 10 days now. They might be dragging when it comes to that. Okay, y'all. I'm back. And she's done. What? Lash extension who? Because the girls ain't seeing me no more. I don't care if I got to do this every other day. This is way cheaper, way more efficient. I could fix it myself, touch it up myself. Yeah, I did that. Let me give y'all a little 360. Yes, I ate that up. I ate that the frick up, okay, y'all? And it was super easy. I definitely recommend y'all, if you're thinking about doing it, do it. The girls on TikTok never steer you wrong. But yes, y'all, this was super easy. I definitely recommend. Like, look at her. Hold on. And I'm gonna use the sealant now so I can seal it in. Hopefully this works and it stays, because I ain't waste my time for nothing. So seal it in. Fire. And I used all of the lashes in the pack, y'all. This is for one-time use only. Kiss. I recommend you buy this from Amazon, where it comes with more in there. You can use it longer for $20. I just bought this pack for the glue because I didn't know which glue to get. But it also comes with mask removal, y'all. So, Kiss, y'all might be onto something. Y'all want to sponsor a girl? I know I ain't got that much subscribers yet, but sure. The way I'm advertising y'all might as well just subscribe. Like, I mean, just, you know, work with your girl, period. Like, y'all, my skin has been doing bad. In the summer, my skin be doing bad because of all this heat, and just my skin don't like it. Like, my skin don't like it. But yeah, that's my thing, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, hit me up, sis. Tell a friend about, tell a friend. Your girl's doing lashes now.